Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
My name is Kate Vobik. I'm calling you from Hero Radio.
Yes.
And sorry to call you. Are you asleep?
No, I'm not asleep. I'm watching a movie.
Oh, you're watching movie, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if you can just spare like 5 minutes, then we talk.
Yeah, please. I can.
Okay.
What do you want?
No, I just want us to talk,
Okay.
Let me just ask this personal question. How close are you to your dad?
To my dad?
Yeah, to your dad.
I'm very close.
You're
Why?
No, I'm just
Yeah.
asking.
Okay, I'm very close.
Very close, huh?
Yeah.
Do you live with your dad in the same house?
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes I'm with my boyfriend. Sometimes I'm with my dad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But you're so close to your dad, eh?
Yes, very.
Very, very close. How close?
We are close. Just know we are close. Why?
No. Okay, rest my case, eh? Okay, I got your number from your boyfriend, Anthony.
Yes.
And Anthony wanted me to pass a message to you.
Yeah?
But before I pass that message, I want you to know that Anthony knows that you've been having an affair with your dad.
What the hell? No. Huh?
Is it true? Have you been having an affair with your dad? Have you been sleeping with your dad?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
For how long?
It's been like 4 years now.
4 years. How old are you?
Yes. I'm 25.
You're 25. So when you were 21, you started sleeping with your dad?
Yeah.
Okay, who approached who?
I did.
Right. You approached your dad?
Yes, he has money.
Uh-huh.
He's hot. I even envy my mom.
You envy your mom?
Resist. Yeah, I know, but I can't resist.
Okay, twende pole pole, my dear. Eh? You envy your mom. Why do you envy your mom?
Because my dad has it all.
What do you mean your dad has it all?
He's rich. He has a nice body.
Uh-huh.
He can spend somewhere. He's not stingy like my boyfriend.
Uh-huh.
I love him.
Okay, is it about money or there's something else?
He's good in bed.
Your dad is good in bed?
Yes.
Can you hear yourself?
But is the truth? He's good in bed than my boyfriend. Doesn't do anything.
Your dad is good in bed. You're comparing your okay, is he your biological father?
Yes.
And your biological father is good. Okay, this is the message I wanted to pass, eh? Your boyfriend said since you've been sleeping with your dad, it's over between the two of you.
Who told him?
Who told me what?
Who told my boyfriend?
I don't know, my dear.
How did you know?
I don't know. Maybe you're so much into your dad that maybe you sleepwalk or I don't know.
Oh my God. Okay, you, how did you know?
I was told now your boyfriend.
Oh my God. But I can't leave my father, for heaven's sake.
Ngoja kidogo, you can't leave your father.
I can't leave my father.
You better leave your boyfriend, but you cannot leave your father.
Ah, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Ashajua. Hakuna kitu nitafanya.
Okay, ashajua kuna kitu mtafanya. Amesema it's over. So are you contented with your husband, your boyfriend leaving you? Na kuachi tu any guy, your father?
He doesn't give me anything.
Okay, I asked and I'll ask again. Is it about money?
It's all about money.
Okay, so money and then something else. If your guy right now just happens to have a lot of money, will you leave your father for him?
No.
Hey?
I can't. I've told him my dad is good in bed. Hizi nitashoneza uchali yangu, mwanajita chali yangu. Hata kama amejua, I don't care by the way. Akwende huko, si ati namtaka sana.
So it's
I use him to...
You use him?
I use him so that people would know that I'm with my dad. Hata anisaidi sana. Mwambie hivyo, anisaidi.
Okay, Stella, unajisikia vizuri my dear?
Wacha nikwambie, 2 months ago ilikuwa bashi yangu. He didn't come. I went with my dad to Mombasa. In a posh hotel. We stayed there for like a week. He didn't want to know. So even ndo nakuja kuniuliza hapa about mimi na babangu.
For 1 week with your dad, what did you do with your dad?
Definitely, what did you?
No, me, I don't do anything with my dad. I don't go to a hotel with my dad. So what did you do? I don't know.
Okay, we were fucking.
Oh, God.
We were making love. Umeridhika?
Okay, there's nothing for me, kuridhika. I'm just sympathizing with your soul.
Oh, please, excuse me. I have everything I want. He gives me money. I have a big house.
Courtesy of your dad.
Yeah.
Is your mom alive?
What?
Is your mom alive?
She is. Why?
Does she know that you have an affair with your dad?
She doesn't know.
How can you compare your boyfriend with your dad? At your dad is good in bed.
He's good in bed. I wish him one. What can compare? I have everything because of the yake. Siwezi mwacha. I love him so much. So hata ukijana akienda, fuck him. I don't care.
Thank you, Stella. Bye-bye. And I think you need help. Do you think you need help?
I don't need help.
Can I
you
talk
only
to you
live once.
Can I talk to you off air? Okay, I know you live once, eh?
Please.
This is an abomination, my dear.
Abomination. Go to hell with abomination. I don't care. It's my life.
Yes, it's your life, but do you know this is your biological father? What you're doing with him, it's not godly. God is not happy with you.
Continue preaching. I don't care.
Hi, Apollo, my dear.
To hell with you.